Founders in OnPassive. We will be transformed from underachievers to achievers of all our financial goals in our lives. OnPassive will do that for each one of its founders. Before OnPassive was conceived, most of us had given up on our goals of financial freedom. We were not able to do anything about it. We tried many shiny objects and we suffered devastating consequences. We were led to companies that we thought would help us. Those companies were and are Mirages. They are in the land of make-believe. Honest people kept looking for the answer to their problems. That answer is called OnPassive. The search is finally over. OnPassive's creator, Mr. Mufareh, is allowing common people to become partners with him as founders in his company. We have something that will lift us above our present circumstances. OnPassive will give us all the things we need and give us all the things we want. Our fantasies will turn to realities. OnPassive will keep the love we show for people alive. Everyone in OnPassive will be successful. People from all over the world will benefit from this massive wealth of resources produced by OnPassive and shared with others by its founders. OnPassive is a walking miracle. OnPassive will take us from underachieving to achieving. Hearts and minds cannot imagine what OnPassive will do when it opens for business. There will be a force like a massive tidal wave that will be so strong that it will inundate all other businesses on the internet. The world will be blown away by the love and generosity of OnPassive's loving founders. Millions of lives will be changed for the betterment of humanity. There is nothing more powerful and beautiful than over 550,000 unified hearts with the overwhelming desire and means to help alleviate the suffering that is happening when people do not have the means to support their families. OnPassive and its founders are eagerly waiting to deliver this knockout punch to poverty. What our hearts and minds conceived, we will achieve with OnPassive. Our heartfelt gratitude to Mr. Mufareh and his family and his staff for OnPassive. John White, United States. A Bill Must production.